ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pour, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
This is the Junior Science and Mathematics Quiz brought to you by KNUST. Of course, when we talk about KNUST, we are talking about the premier university, enviously occupying the top position, not just in Ghana, not just in Africa, but globally, with regards to quality education. In partnership with Ghana Education Service, DEX Technologies. When we say DEX, we talk about practical science made practicable. KNUST IDL, lifelong learning, an essential key for development. And of course, e-learning center, e-learning, just a click. Good morning to you, distinguished audience, both in person and virtual. Good morning to my dear contestants. You are warmly welcome. This is a TAKORADI edition of the JSMQ 2023, day 1, the very first contest. My name is Dr. Sandra Abankwakwa-Ating from the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology, KNUST. I will be your quiz mistress. And we have our competing schools as New Pathways Academy, TAKORADI SDA Basic School, and ASOPS Academy. Before we start, we'd want our contestants to introduce themselves, and then we start. So we start with you, ASOPS.
I'm Daniel Amzu Aguzi from ASOPS Academy.
I'm Vicentia Oseiban from ASOPS Academy.
Can we hear from TAKORADI SDA Basic School? New Pathways.
I am Islam Timbila from New Pathways Academy, the school of choice.
Thank you.
I'm Excellent Freeman from New Pathways Academy.
Welcome, my dear contestants. Welcome, welcome. The action begins. Round 1. Kindly pay attention to the fundamentals of this round. This round consists of questions in biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, ICT. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. And please, remember that it will be competed for once. The score for a bonus point is 1 point. Schools would have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question, but when it's a bonus, you have just 1 attempt. Bonus questions are open to the 2 schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. So failure to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question nullifies your answer. So no point will be awarded to you if you decide not to press the buzzer and you start talking. Please, before we start, can we test our buzzers to ensure that they are working effectively and efficiently? So ASOPS. Excellent. TAKORADI, SDA. Good. And then new pathways. Excellent. My dear ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the best. Question 1. And this is a preamble to all schools. Define the following terms and give 1 example of each. New pathways. Solute. No answer.
A solute is a substance that is dissolved in a solvent.
Excellent, that's correct.
An example of a solute is a salt.
Excellent, thank you. Correct, for 3 points. TAKORADI SDA, basic school. Mixture.
Mixture is a chemical combination of 2 or more substances. Example is Gary and water.
That is wrong. Last attempt.
Mixture is a physical combination of 2 or more substances.
Continue.
Example is water and sugar.
That is correct. Next question. ASOPS Academy. Element. Bonus, new pathways.
Please, an element is a substance that consists of individual atoms that cannot be separated by any known chemical means. And an example of an element is oxygen.
Excellent, that's right. Thank you. Question 2. There's another preamble to all schools. State the main end products of digestion of each of the following food items. State the main end products of digestion of each of the following food items. TAKORADI, SDA, basic school. Skimmed yogurt. No, please. Bonus, new pathways.
Amino acids.
Amino acids. That is correct. Thank you. ASOPS Academy. ASOPS. Butter.
Fat and oil.
Yes, bonus, new pathways.
Fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acid and glycerol.
That is right. Thank you. That is excellent. New pathways, your question. Soft drinks or carbonated drinks.
Glucose.
Glucose. Thank you. Thank you. This is another preamble to all schools. Explain the following. Explain the following. ASOPS. Are you ready? Yes, explain the following. ASOPS. Free fall. Free fall.
Free fall is used for
Free fall. Fall. F-A-L-L. Bonus. Bonus. Can I get someone from the audience? Free fall. Explain. Nobody. Okay. Free fall is when an object is dropped from a certain height and is under the influence of gravitational force. It begins to fall to the surface of the earth. Thank you. New pathways. Acceleration due to gravity.
Acceleration is the change in velocity with respect to time.
Acceleration due to gravity.
It is the change in velocity with respect to time.
I'll give you 1 point. Because it's half solved, I won't give the bonus. But you are supposed to add towards the Earth's surface. Acceleration due to gravity. So you are supposed to add towards the Earth's surface. TAKORADI SDA. TAKORADI, you hear? Okay. Buoyancy. 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 Bonus, new pathways.
A force which allows objects to float on the surface of a fluid or a liquid.
That is right. Thank you. Thank you. Please. Question 4. You have to state the function of the following keyboard shortcuts. You have to state the function of the following keyboard shortcuts. New pathways. Excellent. And Islam. Windows key plus full stop. Windows key plus full stop. Bonus. Bonus. It opens emoji panel. TAKORADI SDA, basic school. Windows key plus V. V. Windows key plus V. Bonus. open the clipboard bin. ASOPS, my dear lady and gentlemen, ASOPS, Windows key plus I. Bonus. I'm answering my own question. It opens the settings app or menu. Okay. Question 5, TAKORADI SDA Basic School. Make theta the subject of the equation. TAKORADI SDA Basic School. You have to make theta the subject of the equation. T is equal to U Q theta over 2G. Bonus new pathways.
Theta is equal to 2GT all on UQ.
Excellent. That is correct. Thank you. Thank you. ASOPS Academy. ASOPS Academy. And in saying excellent, I wasn't calling you. Make G the subject of the equation. Make G the subject of the equation. And the equation is, don't look at the audience, please pay attention to me. G1 is equal to 8 pi G over C raised to the power 4, all multiplied by T. The 8 pi G on C4, those are multiplied by T. Bonus, new pathways.
G is equal to C to the power 4 G1 all on 8 pi T.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you. Excellent is excellenting. New pathways, your question. New pathways, your question. Make pi the subject of the equation. 4 pi squared on G is equal to S.
Please, pi is equal to the square root of SG all on 4.
That is correct. Question 6, preamble. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false, and these questions will not be passed as bonus, with the exception that a school refuses to answer. then it will be passed on as bonus. Otherwise, no bonus. Please, are you ready? Question 6. ASOPS, Vicentia and Daniel. Word processing software is not an example of application software. True or false?
False.
That is correct. New Pathways Academy. Computer storage devices can be used to transfer files between different computers. That is correct. TAKORADI SDA. Basic computer storage devices can only store data in the form of text documents and cannot handle other file formats. True or false?
False.
That is right. It's false. New Pathways. A rectangle has 2 axes of symmetry. True or false?
True. Oh, sorry. Yes, true.
That is right. It's true. TAKORADI SDA. TAKORADI SDA. The shape of a prism does not have any curve. True or false?
True.
That is right. It's true. ASOPS Academy. ASOPS. An equilateral triangle has exactly 3 lines of symmetry. True or false?
True.
That is correct. So on that score, we come to the end of round 1. well. Interesting times. At the end of round 1, Daniel, ASOPS TAKORADI SDA, Eliza Vicentia. What happened to you? New Pathways Academy. Was there excellence? As
There was.
Well, at the end of round 1, unfortunately, ASOPS Academy, it seems, Daniel, the lion is almost at you. You had 6 points. TAKORADI SDA Basic School, another Daniel. Daniel, it seems the lion is also close to you. You had 9 points. And the excellency of the results are seen with New Pathways with 22 points. Round 2, anything can happen. And I pause here to remind all of us that this quiz is brought to you by KNUST, the best university globally in terms of quality education. DEX Technologies, KNUST IDL, e-learning center. Round 2, this is the fastest brain, fastest finger. Anything can happen. No complacency, no giving up. Forge ahead like a warrior. Can we listen to the rules for this round? One question will be read out, and the contestants would compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. 4. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. I repeat, when a contestant is ready to respond to a question, press the buzzer before you attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from that particular question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestant must answer in 3 seconds. Please, don't press and now think of the answer. You'll be bailed out. 3 seconds. Immediately you press, you answer. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get the opportunity to compete to answer. If the next school is unable to answer, then the next school will try. A wrong answer, please listen. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. I wish you all the best. Ready? Fastest brain, fastest finger. Ready? ASOPS Academy, are you ready? Yes. TAKORADI SDA Basic School, are you ready? Yes. And then New Pathways, are you ready?
We are ready.
Thank you. Thank you. I love your energy. Question 1. The instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure.
Barometer.
Barometer. That is right. Thank you. Thank you. Fastest brain, fastest finger. Question 2. The relative proportions of the different particle sizes in a soil sample refers to New Pathways.
Soil structure.
Soil
Structure.
No. Bonus. Bonus. Yes, time up, audience. No one, soil texture. Question 3. The systematic name of NO2 is
Nitrous oxide.
Pardon?
Nitrous oxide.
That is wrong. Can we have some silence in the audience, please? Yes. Time up, audience. Anyone? No one? Is nitrogen 4 oxide or nitrogen dioxide? Question 4, fastest brain, fastest finger. Are you ready? The swelling shoots disease of cocoa is caused by swelling shoots disease of cocoa. It's caused by time up virus, specifically the cocoa swelling shoots virus. Question 5, fastest finger, fastest brain. A body has a density of 30 grams per centimeter cube and a volume of 6 centimeter cube. Determine the mass of the body.
Please carry the question again.
The body has a density of 30 grams per centimeter cube and a volume of 6 centimeter cube. Determine the mass of the body. New pathways.
5.
Wrong. Bonus. Next schools.
6 centimeters.
6 grams.
You have to press the buzzer. The answer is 180 grams. Question 6. Fastest brain, fastest finger. What skill allows users to navigate through search engine results pages and locate relevant information? What skill allows users to navigate through search engine results pages and locate relevant information? It is the search results navigation. 7, fastest brain, fastest finger. Given that M is equal to A, B, C, find the number of subsets of M. New pathways?
8.
8 is correct. 8 is definitely the answer. All right. The next question, fastest brain, fastest finger. Find the least. New pathways, you pressed. New pathways, you are out. Find the least common multiple LCM of the numbers 5, 10, 12.
Two.
TAKORADI.
2.
No, please.
10.
You are out, please. Time up is 60. Well, on the 60 notes, we come to the end of round 2. You're all welcome to the third round. And we want to, of course, appreciate our proud sponsors, DEX Technologies, KNUST IDL, KNUST eLearning, College of Science, and our partners, Ghana Education Service. Before we announce the score, there's a substitution. Okay. There will be a substitution. Okay, but let me mention the score first before I do my substitution. At the end of the second round, ASOPS Academy, 6 points. TAKORADI SDA Basic School, 8 points. New pathways, still making new pathways in excellence, 26 points. So can we give a round of applause to Eliza Amwa Mensah, as she's being replaced with Richard Damwa for TAKORADI SDA. Please give her a round of applause. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Round 3. Okay, so round 3, as we know, is the Science and Technology Challenge. I'll read it out, and the sets will be given to you as I read it out. The preamble. So 1 question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10. 10 solid points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. This round is powered by KNUST eLearning Center. So the preamble. You are provided with a laptop computer, and this laptop computer has Microsoft Excel installed. So this is what you have to do. You are to locate a text file named JSMQ text on your desktop and open it. The file contains the marks of students and their results in an examination. You are to open your Excel spreadsheet and copy the data in the JSMQ text file into the spreadsheet with the same heading as in the text document. Then you are to find the total sum of marks obtained by all students in the total column. Afterwards, you are to plot a clustered column graph of students against their total marks using your spreadsheet. You are to write the formula used to calculate the total sum of marks obtained by all the students. Remember, you have 10 minutes, 10 marks to answer all questions. And perform the task as read out and as in front of you. I wish you all the best. Please start work. Bring them. Don't close them. Please bring them. Thank you. You should write the name of your school. It's okay, you bring it. Kindly bring it, please. Thank you. You close it. Come, close it. Close it. So before we get to our next round, I'm sure we are all itchy to find out what happened with the challenge that we were assigned to. So let's go over again what you were supposed to do. You were supposed to locate a text file, which is named JSMQ, and it was on the desktop. You were supposed to open it, you see some marks of students, you copy it, and then open Excel spreadsheets, and then you put it there. After you are done with that, you make sure the headings are the same, and then you find totals. You find the total in the total column. And then afterwards, you were supposed to plot a clustered column graph of your students that you picked from the JSMQ text file to the Excel spreadsheet. And then you were to write the formula that you used in calculating the total. Okay, so let me start with ASOP Academy. I'm not too sure what happened there, but nothing happened. Absolutely nothing happened. So it means that when you go back, you have to pay more attention to your computer lessons, ICT lessons. They had 0 over 10. TAKORADI SDA Basic School. I was excited when I got your computers. Very excited. Nothing happened. Nothing, absolutely nothing happened on the machine. I don't know whether you couldn't locate the text file so that you transfer. I'm not too sure what happened. But you also had 0 over 10. So again, as I advised ASOP, when you go back, please take your ICT lessons very seriously, okay? All right, this is a wake-up call to you. Then the almighty new pathways. All right, so I opened, you brought your Excel spreadsheets, you had put in a lot of figures beautifully, and unfortunately, under the ICT, there were some marks, you moved it, I don't know, and placed them somewhere. The first 2 marks. I'm not too sure what happened. So for that, you were supposed to have gotten 3 marks, but I gave you 2 out of 3 because you misplaced some of the marks. The next question, you were supposed to find the total marks. That was beautiful. You did everything beautifully. So you had 2 out of 2. And then you were supposed to plot a clustered scatter graph. Probably you didn't see the question because nothing happened again. Or maybe you are not too sure what it is. So when you go and learn. Okay. So you had 0 over 4. That carried 4 solid marks. And then the last one, you had to write the formulas, and you wrote them for me beautifully. So in all, you had 5 out of 10. At the end of round 3, so at the end of round 3, New Pathways are still leading with 31 points. TAKORADI SDA Basic School, they are in the middle, minding their business with 8 points. ASOPS Academy are warming up with 6 points. I need you not to give up because you have one last opportunity to redeem yourself. And magic can happen here. Don't kindly don't look at the audience. Look at me, please. Magic can happen if you want it to happen. This is the last round. Have you ever heard of the saying, last days are dangerous? Yeah, last days can be dangerous. So don't give up and don't be complacent. This is your last opportunity. Give us all the fire that is left in you. Are you ready? Round 4. Round 4. Good. This round is decoding the clues round. So you want to think on your feet and be fast. Before I start reading out the clues for you to decode, please listen to the rules of this round. This round, again, like I mentioned, is the decoding the clues round. The question will be read out as series of clues. If the question answered is on the first clue, you get 6 solid points. If you answered it correctly on the second clue, is 5 points. On the third is 4. On the fourth or any other subsequent clues is 3 points. Please, again, listen to me. You are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. And it's one attempt. So don't say, and then you say another one, and say. I won't mind you. You are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question, and it nullifies your answer. So if you don't press it and you talk and I don't mind you, it's not because I don't like you. I love you all. But that's the rule. You are to press the buzzer. You are called, you talk. Are we ready? Are you ready? Yes. Thank you. ASOPS, are you ready? Oh, I need fire. ASOPS, are you ready? Yes. Thank you. TAKORADI SDA. Yeah, you are the man. Yeah, talk to me. Are you ready? Uh-huh. And then Almighty New Pathways. We are ready. You are ready. You are ready. All right. So we start the first set. So you should, my hands will be indicating on which clue you are on. My fingers, sorry, will be indicating the clue you are on. I am a set of positive integers greater than 1. I am essential in the study of number theory. Unlike my opposite pair, I have a greater number of devices. New pathway.
Even numbers.
I'm sorry. I can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. I am the direct opposite of prime numbers. Who am I? Yes, TAKORADI. Composite numbers. That is right. Thank you. Composite numbers. Set 2. I am a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs. Diet, exercise, stress, and sleep all have significant impact on my functioning. My primary role is to identify and respond to invaders. Antigens are the foreign substances that new pathway.
Immune system.
Immune system, that's right, thank you. Immune system is definitely the answer. Set 3. I am the core computational engine within a computer. I can new pathways.
Central processing unit.
I'm sorry. You can find me in the CPU where I make complex tasks look deceptively simple. I play a vital role in every digital operation. You can think of me as the calculator of the computer. I work with binary data using zeros and ones to process information efficiently. My operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, logical comparisons. Who am I? Time up. Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU. Set 4. I am a Russian chemist. I was born on February 8, 1834. I received the prestigious Copley Medal from Royal Society in 1905. My work revolutionized the field of chemistry and laid the foundation for modern chemical theory. I am known to have invented a table, but
Dmitry Mendeleev.
that is right. So on the Mendeleev notes, we come to the end of the contest for today. There is a winner. And there are others. The men, the women have been separated from the boys and the girls. And someone or a school is moving on to the next round of the contest. You want to know the winner? Okay. ASOPS Academy, my dear Vicentia and Daniel, you had 6 points at the end of the contest. TAKORADI SDA, Basic School, you are going home with 11 points. Islam, an excellence. Freeman, you are free indeed. You are going home with 37 points. 37 solid points. Thank you, my lovely audience. Thank you, my contestants. You tried. You tried. ASOP, TAKORADI, you tried. But you need to try harder next time. New Pathways, congratulations. You have qualified for the next round of the competition. My name is Dr. Sandra Abankwakwatim. I have been your quiz mistress. Thank you.